Okay, exercise for creating customers, vendors, and salespersons. So in exercise 3, you need to go to card file. From card list, you can create now in Myob to create customers, vendors, and salesperson. Salesperson mean your own employees. So to create them, you should go to card list. In card list, click on new. First of all, you have to select the type. Now we are creating customers. Select customers. In customers also you can select individual customers or companies. Now here in our list we have most of the, actually all the customers and suppliers are companies. So keep the company option and write first one Bensi Rubber. Bensi Rubber Products. Bensi Rubber Products Private Limited, and then press the tab key. That will enable the card ID and address. You can write a card ID like C01. It's optional thing. If you don't need, you can skip that. Then come to the address. Address space 111 EPZ, and then come to city and write Katunayak. Other than the billing address, you can maintain up to 5 different addresses like shipping address or any other additional addresses you can maintain. Also for each address you can provide the phone numbers, emails, website, like that. Then come to card details. In card details, if you want to have a picture of Bensi Rubber, for example maybe their company logo or anything, you can double click and you can go to link and you can link the picture. Then say OK and it will comes into your Myob screen, and also some additional notes you can put. Then in selling details you can select their sales layout. Let's say Bensi Rubber is always taking items from you, so then you can select the sales layout item. And also their printed invoice layout. Then the invoice delivery method. If they are willing to have an email or a printed copy, whatever their choice, you can select here. Let's say email, then you can select the email option. Then you don't need to print it. You can straight away email to the Bensi Rubber. Then if you want to apply a separate income account, according to the customer's type, if you want to have separate income account, you can assign here. Now if you didn't assign any income account, then automatically that income goes to sales account. Separately, if you want to maintain account, you can select now here in income account. Then salesperson. Salesperson means now say Bensi Rubber sales is doing by a person like, let's say Mr. Madan, so you can select his name here. Right now still we haven't created the employees. If you had the employees, it will appear here, you can select. And then shipping method, billing rate, like that, lot of options are there. And also his tax code. You can say non-taxable for time being. Then the terms. Different methods are there. You can say in a given number of days or day of month, number of days after the invoice, and then day of the month after EOM, like that. You can select. I am selecting in given number of days, and I am saying discount dates are 3, balance due in 7 days. So like that you can select options. Then discount for early payments, you can assign a discount. If you are giving, let's say 2% discount for early payments, you can say 2%. Then for late payments, if you are charging, you can mention the amount. I said 2% for the late payments, like that. Next step, payment details. If Benzi is always paid through a check, then you can select the payment method check. Contact log. Contact log means now from your company, if you are contacting Benzi Rubber, you can maintain a log. For example, say you are looking after payment. So you can go to new login and you can say I contacted Mr. Amal of Benzi Rubber on 10th April. By pressing this space bar, anytime you can take the calendar. See, if they asking, if Mayab is asking the date, you can press this space and you can take back the calendar and you can select, I selected 10th April, and you can put a note, ask about the payment. Sending on 20th April. Like that you can write then recontacted date. If they said 20th they are sending, so you can select 21st of April, then you can say record like that. Then jobs. If you have any jobs with Benzi, you can go to create new job and you can write the job number. Then you can write the job name. Let's say job name painting. You can say painting the Borella branch. Then percentage you completed. Let's say 40%. So like that we can prepare then this starting date 2nd of April, estimated finish date 30th April, and then manager's name. Say okay. So like that we can prepare jobs. Finally, you have the history tab where you can see the history of Benzi's transactions. Monthly wise, you can see the history, and also on the right side, the customer sales date, last sales date, last payment, average days they are taking to do a payment, and then the highest invoice amount and highest they have done. So these informations are comes in the history tab. Right now, basically I completed the Benzi's profile, so I can say new, and I can continue with the other customers.